Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can build a custom view modifier for your views in SwiftUI, which you can then reuse across your entire app. Now I'd like to walk you through the sample project that I've quickly put up here. The first is that I have a button in this view, and this button simply has a text that says tap here. This button also toggles a state variable that I have within my view, which is called isSuccess. It's initially set to false, which is why you see the red color here on the previews. And what I've also set is that I want the background color to switch between green and red depending on the state of isSuccess. And I've also clipped the shape of this button to rounded rectangle, and that is why you see the rounded rectangle shape on the button. So what we're going to be building is we're going to be trying to encapsulate both of these into its own view modifier so that we can reuse it across our app. Now we're going to do that by first creating a struct that conforms to ViewModel. Now conforming to this view modifier protocol requires us to implement one method. Now this body content is the content of the view, and you should be returning some view after you have applied your modifications. So in here, what I'm going to do is first I'm just going to say return any view. So with Swift, we can remove the return statement since it's just a single line expression that we're returning. Now what we're going to do after that is we're going to wrap content inside of any view, and on this we're going to apply our view modifier. So I'm just going to cut these from here and I'm going to paste it here. Now as you see that isSuccess variable needs to be something that we pass into this view modifier. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now we have successfully created a custom button view modifier. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this view modifier on our button now. So to do that, I'm just going to say dot modifier, and I'm going to say custom button view modifier, and I'm going to pass the isSuccess from my state, and that's it. So now I'm going to get the exact same behavior wherein I can tap and it becomes green and it switches back to red. However, now this modifier is reusable. I can reuse this on any particular view that I want. Doesn't really have to be a button, it can just be any kind of view. And so this helps me in reducing the amount of repetitive code that's there in my code base. So another use case for this might be if you want to return a particular view modifier which is available on newer versions of iOS, but it's not available on older versions. So to do that, you would do something like this. Now in here, I have put a condition to check if I am running iOS 17, which I am in the simulator. If I'm running iOS 17, I would want the rounded rectangle to be of corner radius 20, which is why it has applied that 20 here. Or if I were to run this program on an older iOS version like iOS 16 or 15, I would then be defaulting to the 8 corner radius instead of the 20. So that's been it. Thank you so much for watching this quick video on SwiftUI's custom view modifiers. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this in the future. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.